Know what to say. Small talk questions to get any conversation flowing. Although movies make approaching a perfect stranger and striking up an easy surface-level question look effortless, most of us know it's the opposite. For those of us not gifted with small talk superpowers, the delicate dance of back-and-forth small talk questions and answers is elusive and strange. It leaves us feeling awkward and clumsy, like someone with cement blocks on their feet trying to cha-cha. Luckily, small talk is just a magic performance. It seems much more complicated than it really is. The conversation can get rolling easily when you're armed with some magic small talk questions. This allows you to move out of small talk questions and into the big talk questions. Work-related small talk questions. Whether you just started a new job, there's a new person in the office, or you're mingling at a party and your friend introduces someone new as, "This is Joe, he's a lumberjack." These work-related small talk questions will help you strike up a conversation fast. 1. What's the best career advice you've ever received? What's the worst? 2. What was your first job? What was the best and worst part? Entertainment-related small talk questions. Everyone loves talking about their favorite movie, the show they just finished binging, or the book that kept them awake until the wee hours of the morning. Use these small talk questions to tease some personal information out of a new acquaintance. 1. What's a book or movie you hated that everyone else loved, or vice versa? 2. If you could pick any famous person, living or dead, real or fictional, to be your amazing race partner, who would it be? Are you enjoying this episode so far? I would appreciate it if you hit the like button so more people can find it. Food-related small talk questions. Food is the great unifier, bringing everyone together. That's why memories of Christmas dinner are crucial for many of us. In addition, tapping into food as a subject for small talk questions can give you an immediate connection with someone new. 1. What's your go-to comfort food? 2. What's your favorite restaurant nearby? Travel-related small talk questions. Even for those of us who aren't jet-setting around the world regularly, talking about the places others have been and things they've experienced can resonate with new people. So ask these small talk questions to learn about a person's travel past and future. 1. If I gave you a free plane ticket to anywhere in the world, where would you go? 2. What's the most remarkable road trip you've ever been on? Biography-related small talk questions. Sometimes, to become comfortable with someone, it's essential to give them space to talk about themselves and their past. These small talk questions give people an opportunity to help you understand their life better. 1. What's your hidden talent or surprising hobby? 2. When you were in first grade, what did you want to be when you grew up? Random small talk questions. Coming out of the left field with the question can change things up and make them much more enjoyable. Totally random small talk questions can show people how interesting you are and start some outlandish conversations. 1. If you could teach a university class on anything, what would it be? 2. If you were made president tomorrow, what's one law you would make effective immediately? Small talk questions to ease conversation. Meeting new people or holding surface-level conversations doesn't have to be complicated. By asking intelligent, small talk questions and being genuinely interested in the other person's answer, you can have a chat so exciting and engaging that it doesn't feel like small talk at all.